Hi guys, Stephanie Weeks here. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. This is your one-stop shop for anything to do with mortgage peace, helping to spread mortgage peace throughout the world. I hope you and your families are safe right now through everything that we're dealing with the virus. And I am trying to put out some extra videos just to keep everyone happy, healthy, and educated. I know mortgage experiences can be stressful. I know buying or refinancing a home is not always as easy as everybody would like it to be. And I bet a very important question that you would like to know is, how much home can you afford? A lot of people wonder that. How much mortgage can I get approved for? Well, that is not a top secret thing. It's actually kind of cool how it works. And I'm here to share that information with you today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, I'd really appreciate it. Be sure to take a screenshot. Pick one, right? Whatever works. Take that screenshot, share it with a friend, share the video. Let's continue to spread the mortgage peace throughout the world. Promise I'm not crazy, just don't want you to be bored when you're watching the videos. Anyway, so how much mortgage can you afford? The most important part of this is you need to know your goals. And guess what? I have a checklist for that. Your goal checklist, I'm gonna drop it in the link below so that can help you. But the first thing is you wanna know your goals, because that's the most important. What do you want your payment? What do you want to come up with to close on a mortgage loan, meaning how much cash, right? And what price would you like to spend? Then you have to work with your lender to see if that actually works out for you and meets with everything that you need. How much mortgage you can afford actually depends on your sources of income, your amount of income, the loan type that you're doing, the amount of mortgage that you would like, the amount of mortgage payment in relation to your income, the amount of minimum payments on all of your debt, including the new mortgage payment in relation to your income. That's debt to income, housing ratio, all those fun mumbo jumbo terms that the lenders like to come up with, right? The other thing is they're gonna look at your assets as well. How much money do you have saved, so on and so forth. So if you know what your goals are, you can share that with your loan officer. Then they can plug all that into the system using the human element to know what is accurate, right? Because the approval is only as good as the information entered. Side note tip, which is why there's so many problems with online pre-approvals, because you don't have that person walking you through the information and you don't know how to answer the questions. Prime example, took an application this week. When my clients apply online, which they do, then I add the human element and I go through that application, fill in blanks, fill in gaps, ask questions, and make sense of things, right? So I say, you put $3,900 a month in income. Is that correct? Okay. Is that salary? Is it base, commission, bonus? Is it hourly? Is it combination? Is it tips? What does that consist of, right? Because that makes a difference. If your income's $3,900 in salary, awesome for you. If your income is $2,000 in salary and it averages $1,000 in bonus, and one time you made $2,000 in bonus and you put $3,900 in that for income, guess what? That approval you have, total crap. Not worth the paper it's written on, because the information is not accurate, right? So to know what you're approved for and how much mortgage you can get, give good, detailed, accurate information. If you apply online to any big online lenders, great. If that's what you want to do, just make sure that someone goes through with you that application through the human element, right? And make sure they're asking you a lot of questions, okay? I would love to see you get approved for however much you would like. I want to make sure that it does meet your goals, because that is super, super important. So important that you meet your goals, right? If you want to buy a $300,000 home and you want to put down no money, right? And you want a $1,000 mortgage payment, well, that's not going to happen, but you don't know that. And it's not your job to know that. It's us as a good loan officer. It's our job to know that and to educate you through that. So maybe you can approve for that $300,000 home, but it doesn't align with your goals. And so that approval should be changed, right? We could say, hey, look, Yes, no money out of pocket, or very little, shall I say, because no money really doesn't completely exist. But no money little money out of pocket, we can check that box, right? $1,000 payment, we can check that box, but it doesn't match with a $300,000 price. So let's talk about that, right? It's all about mortgage education and putting you in the home and the loan that you want and that meets your goals and your dreams. I really hope this video helps you. Please check out my checklist below about your goals. And I really appreciate the subscription. I appreciate the like. I am always eager to hear your comments as well as your feedback. And thank you so much for hopefully sharing this video with my crazy faces that I made and help me spread mortgage peace around the world. You have an absolutely fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next one.